Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's preview what we've built so far with the Builder AI. So I'm going to access the website aipsds.com. That's the domain name, that's the address. So we're going to access it. So we're going to come to aipsds.com, and here's the website so far. So we have the website right here, and this is what it looks like. So this is what we've built so far with the AI. So you could choose to edit some of these. As you could see, this is so close to the edge, so you could edit some of these, and you're going to use the AI builder to edit it. So this is what we've built so far, and it's not looking bad at all. So you could go ahead, you could go to the about section of it to see what the about looks like. Look at the about right here. You could do a lot of editing with your mobile phone and go ahead to build something like this. Then you could edit whatever you want to edit. Like I said, the edit button is right here, so you could use the edit to edit whatever you want to edit. So you could just come to this to see the about, so you could change anything about what you don't like. So right here, you could see this is so close to the edge, so you could choose to edit that. You could just choose to make this come this way, and it's going to be smaller. It's going to come towards where you want it to come. Then we're going to have something like this. So you could see that is closer to the edge, and this could be brought this way. So this could be brought this way. This could be brought, this could be brought as well. You could say something like this, and you could choose to bring this closer as well. You could choose to bring something like this to this. You could choose to edit the text and everything. So our website is looking great. All we have to do is to update the website. And when you update the website, when you check it from here, when you come right here to check the about us, you could see the about us here is glued to the edge. So we could just refresh and see what we've done so far. So by refreshing, you could see what we've done so far, and you see that we've done some changes, and that's what we are seeing right now. So we see that the building is not close to the edge anymore. So your edit is just as simple as that. It's basic as that. So you could go on to practice more and see what we've created. So we have courses right here. You could see what the courses session looks like. So you could see right here, see the website we just built, and it's looking so okay to me. So right now we built our first website with a generative AI tool, and here's the events. You could see the event, and you could see the forum. So here's the forum, so you could check out the forum. The forum is a blog, and I showed you how you could edit your blog post. So you could edit your blog post from here. As you could see, this is blog, so you could edit your blog post from there. And there we have the different blog posts we have right here, so it could be edited from here. All you have to do is click on the post you want to edit, and you could add a new post if you want to. So you see the add a new post button, so you could just explore this, and you could see we have some basic settings from here. You could see from here we have some basic settings right here, and this is where you add a new post. Then you could click on these settings to try to see how to set whatever you're trying to add. So you could choose post settings right now, which is this, and I'm going to try to click on post settings, and here you see your post title, your post description, your post URL, your post author, your post date. So everything about your post is right here, and you see your featured image, you see your categories. So this is a full AI website builder tool. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.